Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off text message vibration on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app. Go to the Sound and Haptic settings. Now, select the text tone option. Here, tap on the Haptics option at the top of the list. Finally, select the None option at the bottom of the list. And this is how you can turn off text message vibration on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.